Welcome back to Cozy Vintage Vibes. Today, we bring you the latest kitchen design trends and renovation ideas to help you create a beautiful, functional, and modern space. Whether you're planning a full kitchen makeover or looking for simple ways to refresh your space, this video will provide inspiration and practical tips to achieve your dream kitchen. Kitchens have evolved beyond just a place for cooking. They are now the heart of the home, where families gather, entertain, and make lasting memories. So, let's explore the top trends and renovation ideas that will transform your kitchen into a stylish and efficient space. Sustainable and eco-friendly kitchens. Sustainability is a growing priority in kitchen design. Many homeowners are looking for ways to create environmentally friendly kitchens by using recycled and sustainable materials, bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled glass countertops. Energy-efficient appliances. ENERGY STAR certified appliances reduce energy consumption and utility bills. Water-saving fixtures. Low-flow faucets and water-efficient dishwashers conserve water. Composting and waste management. Built-in compost bins and recycling stations encourage sustainable living. Eco-friendly paints and finishes. Low VOC paints and sealants improve indoor air quality. Making eco-conscious choices in your kitchen renovation not only benefits the environment, but also creates a healthier home. Open concept and multifunctional spaces. The trend of open concept kitchens continues to dominate, allowing for seamless flow between the kitchen and living areas. How to achieve a multifunctional space. Large kitchen islands provide additional prep space, storage, and seating for casual dining. Hidden storage solutions. Pull-out shelves, deep drawers, and vertical storage maximize space efficiency. Flexible seating areas. Breakfast nooks, bar stools, and cozy corners encourage gathering. Integrated dining spaces. Combining kitchen and dining areas creates a more social atmosphere. By designing an open and adaptable kitchen layout, you can create a space that is both inviting and practical. trending kitchen color schemes. Color plays a crucial role in kitchen aesthetics. Here are some of the top color trends. Neutral and earthy tones. Warm whites, taupe, and soft greens create a calming and natural ambience. Natural wood elements, incorporating wood cabinets, shelves, or countertops for warmth and texture. Choosing the right color palette enhances the visual appeal of your kitchen while setting the desired mood. Luxurious and high-end materials. High-quality materials can elevate the look and feel of your kitchen. Consider incorporating quartz countertops, durable, low maintenance, and available in various styles. Marble backsplashes adds elegance and a timeless appeal. Custom cabinetry, personalized storage solutions for a seamless design. Brass and gold accents, trendy yet classic finishes for faucets, handles, and lighting. Statement tiles, geometric and textured tiles create visual interest. Investing in high-end materials ensures longevity and a refined kitchen aesthetic. Statement lighting fixtures. Lighting is both functional and decorative. Some of the top lighting trends include pendant lights over kitchen islands for a stylish focal point. The minimalist approach to kitchen design is all about simplicity and efficiency. Here's how to achieve a clutter-free kitchen. Handleless cabinets, sleek and streamlined for a clean look. Concealed storage, hiding appliances and utensils keeps surfaces tidy. Built-in pantries organizes dry goods without taking up extra space. Floating shelves, a stylish way to display essentials without overcrowding. Declutter countertops, prioritizing only essential decor and appliances. Embracing minimalism results in a timeless and stress-free kitchen environment. Kitchen renovation tips for maximum impact. If you're planning a renovation, keep these essential tips in mind. Plan your budget. Allocate funds wisely for high-impact areas like cabinetry and countertops. Maximize natural light. Large windows or skylights enhance openness and brightness. Upgrade storage. Invest in smart storage solutions for efficiency. Choose timeless designs. Avoid overly trendy styles that may become outdated. Hire professionals. Consult kitchen designers or contractors for quality workmanship. A well-planned renovation ensures a kitchen that remains stylish and functional for years to come. Smart kitchen technology. Technology is revolutionizing modern kitchens, making them more convenient and efficient. Here are some smart features that are gaining popularity. Smart appliances. Wi-Fi-enabled refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers allow remote control and energy efficiency. Incorporating these innovations will not only make your kitchen more functional, but also enhance its modern appeal. And that's our list of the top kitchen design trends and renovation ideas. Whether you're incorporating smart technology, choosing sustainable materials, or revamping your kitchen layout, these ideas will help you create a space that is both beautiful and practical. Which trend do you love the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Cozy Vintage Vibes for more home design inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.